Okay, we're going to work with this little baby bodysuit to turn it into something for Halloween. So let's get our center line first by folding it in half and matching the side seams. And there is a perfect center line. If you want to make a center line on your image as well, that makes it that much easier to get everything centered. I'm just going to double check that this is all going to be right where I want it. Yep. This is glitter, requires 15 seconds. I have it set on about 3:15 and it's a cold peel. This is our matte vinyl, which is so easy to weed and so easy to release onto your project. Only requires 3 seconds. And it's a warm or cold peel. You just can't go wrong with our matte vinyl. Very forgiving. And this is our patterned vinyl. And one more fast press just to give everybody a chance to get adhered and be nice to each other. And you want to see the grain of your fabric through it. With this baby bodysuit, it's hard to see a grain, but you'll know it's adhered. Very, very easy little Halloween baby bodysuit. Can you see the glitter? Bye, everyone. Thank you. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.